So Brandon, did you tell everybody how we lucked out when we got to work together today?
Yeah, I heard about it yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday. We're in Central Jersey, putting some conduit in, just waiting on our concrete. Won't get here till 2. It's gonna be nice 94 degrees when concrete gets here. So we're just you know, passing some time, putting some pipe in the ground. So I don't know if everybody saw that Dirtperfect had a live feed on Sunday night talking about everybody going to be out at the ICEUU Expo in Kentucky. Bunch of different channels are going to be out there. We got invited to go, so we're looking forward to that. It's going to be a good time.
So Lager Wade tried to help us get an apartment, guys. I still haven't heard back, not an apartment, a house.
Yeah.
I still haven't heard back on the cabin because of my age.
Yeah.
I got to get a background
Too young.
check.
Too young. I think you're a criminal. Oh man. But hey man, at least Lager Wade was nice enough to give you the info. But we'll get it one way or another.
Yeah, so I talked about that yesterday, for the date and everything.
Yeah, anybody that wants to come out and meet some of these people from these channels, I mean, we're gonna be there, and big name that's gonna be there is Let's Dig 18. I'm sure everybody knows who that is. He's gonna be there. We're gonna be at the Hyundai booth. Dirtperfect and Digging Life 21, Dirt Boss, he'll be there. SOT Metalworks. Oh man, there's gonna be a ton of them. I can't even think of all of them off the top of my head. But Diesel Creek, he's from out in Western PA. He's gonna be there. He's got a ton of subs.
Yeah.
But yeah, should be a good time. But yeah, for now we're just gonna put some pipe in all the way down to the end of that carport there, and then wait on some concrete.
How do you like doing this stuff, Ray? Yeah. Gets boring?
Not always, man.
I know that gets old. That's why one thing I like about the dish work. You don't gotta wait for that. You don't gotta wait for inspections all the time. I know, that's what Ray just said, it's noisy. Yeah, I literally just said that to Ray, this thing needs grease. So we're making pretty good progress on our pipe run. We got a bunch of utilities to cross, but let's take you guys to the concrete pad and show you guys what we're going to do there. Now, the plan is Ed's going to bring this concrete truck in and around. I'll move my F350. The one that's getting all scratched up, thanks to Tommy's guys. I got a dent there from the digging bar. We got a scratch there from somebody dropping my tailgate on my trailer, as well as the same guy, I love him, I'm not gonna mention names, also cut my trailer. I love you, buddy, but don't do that again, please. Oh yeah, and these guys, everyone, including my stepdad, which he did that one there, getting something out of my truck for me over the weekend. They don't like to get in the back of the truck. I love getting over the side of my truck and scratching it. And last but not least, that one, man oh man, come on guys, look at that. I asked the guy to pull my truck up, And that's what I get. I love you, but man, oh man. And then I have that there. Come on. Anyway, we're gonna bring our concrete truck in and around. Guys, Ed and I feel like our stuff clean. No scratches, polished, the whole 9 yards. Anyway, we'll seed and straw this afterwards. Hopefully, I think we can get this concrete truck in and around. And back here's our pads we gotta pour. They're calling for wire mesh on top, rebar at the bottom for whatever reason. Ed is using chamfer strip. I've been edging just because I like the look of it, but that is definitely way quicker. And we also have to pour these posts for the fence. Well, concrete's not for a little bit. We're gonna keep trenching, putting our conduits in. We can't backfill, which kind of stinks. We gotta get an inspection. So let's go help Ed and Mr. Ray. Man, E26 struggle to get that out.
Watch that fiber. Watch the fiber.
Yeah, I got a fiber line on this side.
Yeah, you're good. I saw under. You're clear.
Okay.
No, it's too high. You're good, Ed. That rock's too tall on this side.
The fiber or whatever.
Nuh-uh, really?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. I don't know where they're running.
E26 ain't moving that easy. So concrete has arrived. The driver's a little bit skeptical about this little incline, but he'll be all right. He's gonna send it. See that? Nothing to worry about. Man, oh man, it's hot. I don't know how hot it is, but I'm gonna call it 105 degrees because that's how hot I think it is. Soaking wet, and we got all the concrete poured. Gargus, how do you feel? Not gonna lie, I feel a little lightheaded.
We had that Brandon here today.
A little lightheaded. A little bit less of a weight than I was when I got here this morning. Whew! Anyway, on a serious note, guys, concrete went great. The driver made it in and out. Dude was worried about nothing, but better be safe than sorry. It's good to be worried about stuff. We got our posts in right where they need to be. And we put in all 4 posts. This concrete was definitely very cementy. Should set up pretty quick. We put out about a 6 slump. Again, 4,000 PSI with air as always. Well, now we do some more weighting. We'll let this crete set up and then we'll finish it. Get out of here for today. For Gargus, end a clip.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. You got the Mr. Bowling hat on.
Right.
Huh?
That's right.
I got mine all stinky. I left it in the thing with all stinky stuff in it. It became like swamp water. Oh, stinky.
This one is in the books. Ray, how you feeling, bud?
Good so far, buddy.
So far, so good. Still alive? Well, this one here turned out pretty good. We didn't really have any issues at all on this one. The only thing I will say is that the broom finish isn't as depth as you normally is because the concrete got pretty hard. But they don't even want any broom finish at all, so we're golden.
I want a smooth trout finish, so.
What do you got to say, Ed?
Say it turned out great, man. Thanks for the help, Brandon.
It's hot, though. It is
nice
hot.
Working with you, buddy.
You too? Well, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
All right, we'll see you out in Kentucky at the show. Be there.
Ray?
He's fighting with a knot.
What happened?
What do you got to
Please like
say?
and
What do you have to
subscribe,
say?
guys.